I'm out here in the blizzard. I'm really out here in the snow going to work, bro. I should have called out real stuff. And I gotta be careful. Ew. That just went all the way up my nose. Damn. Like so discombobulated right now. And I paid to get on the bus. Oh, look at this. It's like a winter wonderland. I hope it really snows on Christmas. Look at this tree. It's so pretty. And so I thought that I was going to be waiting. But I did go to the gym this morning. But my timing be like a little bit off. Like I should have woke up like way earlier in the morning. I'm out here in the blizzard. I take 2 baked potatoes on my way out the door, and I didn't even get a chance to eat it, and I hope that it's even still hot by the time I get to my job. Oh, it's really sticking. Okay, so I made it on the bus. I'm about to try and eat some of my food because it's definitely going to be like cold by the time I get to my job. Look at my glasses. Longest walk ever. Alright, y'all. It's so ugly out here. Bruh, I almost fell down on my face. Oh shit, I almost fell. My body went. Oh shit, not getting injured before work. They don't have the one that says extra sweet, so they got this one, sweet tea, but the one that says extra sweet is so good, but they don't sell it everywhere. It's only sold like in weird places. So tell me why I thought that I lost my glasses in 7-Eleven, and I didn't. They were on my face the entire time. I said, yeah, I'm tired. At this point, I'm exhausted because why would I think that my glasses are fucking 7-Eleven? I said, bro, I'm out there. I'm so tired right now. And it's snowing like crazy. Oh, bro, they got a Taco Bell out here now. Taco Bell. Oh, here is so bad. I have so many trip attempts. Like, bruh, you gotta be kidding me. Tell you something, this air is so nice and crisp. What? This air is so nice, but it's so cold out. But I don't even care though, because I'm really out here. I'm really out here in these streets, you heard? Like, for real, for real. Like, I feel like I had a real productive day. Like, I went to the gym, I went to CVS, and now I'm on my way to work, and I'm like kind of close, but like not really. So like I'm kind of close, but not really. I had to take a different way to work, because I wanted to stop at the store, because I'm tired of going in the same direction I be going to, and I can't stop at no store, and my shift's gonna be way longer. Hold up, let me take that back. My shift is gonna be shorter, because if I think longer, it's just gonna be too long. So I'm on my way to work. I'm trying to warm up my hands. I have to definitely dig up my gloves. Most definitely have to dig up gloves, because I need them, because winter has arrived. Winter is here, baby. It's here, and it ain't going nowhere. My eyelashes are getting so clean and fresh. I stay clean, I stay fresh. Ooh, y'all, let me get footage. Y'all, I had to get footage of that. That is so beautiful. For real, like, it's so pretty. Oh my God. Woo. Alright, so I'm under the bridge. I'm almost at work. I have to get to work on time today because if I'm late, I'm not gonna be happy. I have to get there on time. Because baby, I've been struggling for my life. For my life. Ah! I'm gonna die! Okay, let me go. Be a dramatic. Alright, y'all, so I made it. I have to be careful going up these stairs. This is crazy. What? This is insane. I'm so happy that I have on my hat. Oh shit, the elevator don't even work. Up the stairs I go. Y'all, I just be refusing to take the stairs. Damn, and here it's dark. If I had known any better, I would have thought that he was closed. About to start my shift, so I'll be able to talk to you guys later. I don't want to get copyrighted.